Hey everybody, Charlie here with the Full Blast Awesome team. I want to go ahead and talk about what you can roll out today with our Deckstimate program. So we have three different packages. We have the core package, the pro package, and the elite package. With our core package, you get a digital agent and estimate form PDF creator and CRM, which is a digital dedicated agent number that answers right away every time. Pre-qualifies all your leads, does the address, project type, size, materials, timeline, etc. Books directly on your on-site calendar so that you can go out and just be flawless on this. You get an all-in-one estimate form that your team uses on site, instant professional PDF to the customer, and all detours stored in your CRM so that you always have them, no matter if you're in the field or if you're actually in your computer, etc. And so I'm going to go through this first. I'm going to show you a bit about how this actually works. So first things first, you would call in and you would actually speak with one of the representatives. So if you go back up, you can speak with Hope, which is our representative posing as Summit Deck Builders. You can call Hope. Hope will field the call, and what Hope does is basically get you on site, answers any questions about the company. She's like your 24/7 virtual receptionist. And so she can answer every call, qualify projects, book on-site visits straight to your calendar, and keeps every detail that you got on there. And then after you go ahead and book the on-site, we have this form that you get, which you got all your rates in here. And you can actually fill this form out, and you can have your logo up here, you can have your colors, all that good stuff. And this will create a customer-ready PDF that you can immediately save in the CRM, or you can go ahead and email to your customer, and you're turning and burning. No more stacks of papers, no more spreadsheets, no more antiquated systems. This is the 2025 version estimating. And inside the app on here, I'm just going to show you real quick on here what it looks like. So first things first, if we jump over to the app, here's what it looks like inside the app in the CRM. You get a list of all your contacts right here. You'll see their phone and email address, date created, last activity, etc. And you can do things like calling in here. You can email directly. If I go into Tina Gotts, for example, we'll go ahead and we'll censor out all this information sensitively for the sake of YouTube, but it is what it is. You come in here and you can go ahead and email directly. You can go ahead and store information up here in documents. You can go ahead and upload the PDF that you create within the estimator. You can do payments right here. You can do tasks. You can do notes about your customer, etc. Everything's in one spot. It's a nice, clean way to go ahead and do all your deck estimates so that you can get out in the field and simply do what you do best, which is building decks and turning and burning. Now on the estimator side on here, here's what it looks like on this. We've got this set up for a test company, Summit Decks. And you just simply come in here and fill out the customer name, the phone number, the email address, customer address for the job. You go ahead and put in the deck width, height, etc. You have all these fields that you could go ahead and put in. I'm just going to show you what it is. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the estimate form after this, just for the sake of YouTube censoring me and stuff. So we'll put in Fred. And always put the number 1 in before the phone number is what I'm going to teach you. There we go. Beam type, let's do steel. Let's choose one real quick. Frame type, railing type, we'll do none on this. There's going to be no lighting. Skirting type, we'll do a nice lattice. Skirting length in feet, we'll put in this for now. Put in one set of stairs for them. There'll be no other prior existing deck. Demo, okay, permit. I'm going to say yes because that's going to be how that works. Okay. So we're going to click the little button on the bottom of the form down here. We're going to go ahead and click on Estimate Notice. We're going to calculate the estimate. And then boom, we have a nice estimate on here that has your branding on the top, has estimate number, has valid till, has customer information, estimator information, project scope. You can immediately download the PDF and send that to your customers. You can immediately email it directly to them by filling out their email address in the form, and it's all good to go. So you can see on this, with the different packages, you get different stuff on here. In the Pro package, you get everything in our core package that I just showed you, plus you get the ability to do payments, and you get pipeline basics and nurture. What this means is you can collect deposits straight from the estimate, like you can go ahead and collect a down payment. You can collect a full payment if you need to later on. There's pipeline stages and basic automations that are set up as well so that when somebody comes in from a lead source, then they go to book jobs, they go to estimate send, they go all the way through the job with you. And this sends out notifications like email and text to your customers so they're always updated on the job and it saves you time. Now there's follow-ups on here too so that hot leads don't go cold. We do email and SMS in this system on here. And with your agent, your digital agent, your agent is always on 24/7 as well. So like anybody can call into that number and get answered questions about what's going on and connect with a team member and such as well. There's branded PDFs with your logo and company details as I showed you on there. So that's Pro package. You get everything that's over here plus this, and you're all good to go to do it all in one system. Now, if you want to do it with like a team or you want to kick it up a notch for your business on here, we do a full automation suite plus reviews plus social scheduler plus priority support with everything in these two packages right here. What this means is that you get automated follow-ups for approvals. We do a more in-depth pipeline stages on there. You can do all your deposits a lot slicker. You can do permit notifications on there that you need to reach out to somebody for permits. And you can do scheduling with this. Scheduling allows you to go ahead and do different stages of the job so that you're always on top of the game and you save time. Now, you can also do a review engine to keep 5 stars going in. These are sent out automatically. You have people fill them out on like Google or like Nextdoor or like on Facebook or wherever you want to do your reviews on. That's all automated within this package as well so that you guys are always on top of the game and you always have 5-star ratings coming in. The social scheduler is for things like social media. You can connect it to things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You can connect it to YouTube. You can connect it to many different social platforms. And then you can put up all your deck photos like before and after posts. You can put up finished projects like in progress stuff, testimonials. You can keep this scheduled in advance so that you don't have to remember to post on social media. You can even go in with the social schedule and have things automatically comment when people comment to your posts and send them a quick DM just to say, hey, thanks so much for commenting. Please feel free to call our office if you have any questions, and then it calls the number for your digital agent, and you're always on top of the game. We offer priority support with this with a dedicated phone number that you can call into our tech support team directly. With our prior packages, we offer a ticket-based support system on here that is always up and running as well. So you can type us on this one, you can call us on this one. And with any of that, we answer all of our support tickets within 24 to 48 business hours. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me today because it's really cool going and showing you this new project on here. We're really excited about launching this, and we hope this can benefit you. Please feel free to give us a call and speak with Hope directly or speak with our sales agent, Erin, and we can get you all set from there. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.